Savvy Serena. Today we're making a chunky egg salad. All you need is egg and mayonnaise. And I'm just doing one today because that's normally what I do for just one sandwich for me. However, to boil your egg, you want to cover it with water and put a lid on it. And you want it to come up to a boil. So I've got my boiled egg. I cooled it in the freezer for a few minutes and the eggshell came right off. I'm going to cut it in half and I'm going to pop this yellow out. As much of it as you can. Almost like you're doing deviled eggs, but you're not. Now, what I do is I take my fork and I mash all this up. The harder boiled egg you have, the better it is this mashes up. And then I'm going to take some mayonnaise, and I'm estimating you use as much mayonnaise and what type of mayonnaise you want that you like to basically make that moist. And you want this kind of creamy. I'm going to take the whites and I'm going to cut those into chunks. That's where your chunky egg salad comes from. And if you don't feel comfortable cutting it in your hand, don't cut it on a cutting board. And then I'm going to mix all this. Yep, and that's perfect. Now you can definitely add salt and pepper if you want to, which I'm going to, because I like pepper and I like a little bit of salt, not much, just a little bit. And there is your chunky egg salad. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and y'all come back now. You hear?